This is a game live streaming. We can edit the scoreboard on the OBS. I use the iPad and turn on the sport app. You can change the number. This video clip I will show you how to do this live streaming. Hi everybody, today I will show you how to edit the scoreboard with your OBS Studio. This application is for the sport game use. Okay, now I will use the iPad and use your iPad, and your iPad turn on the app scoreboard app and let the video be mirror to your OBS Studio. Okay, now I will let you know how to do. Okay, before you try scoreboard, you need to prepare two graphics cards. One is FEBON180 UVC HDMI graphics card. The another one is FEBON169 UVC HDMI graphics card. Okay, and before you start live streaming, I must inform you. You need to use the wire Ethernet to do wire Ethernet, and I will show you how to do. First, please plug your HDMI graphics card with your PC. This is your PC. And then this is iPad. You also prepare the iPad lightning to HDMI adapter. This one, it will let your iPad HDMI output. And download the app scoreboard. Turn on the scoreboard. Then connect your HDMI cable with your iPad. And then connect it. Another graphics card connect the sport game live video. This one. Okay, I will do how to set up. And OBS. Okay, edit your video. Your video first one is the sport. The first video source is the live video, live sport game video. Okay. And edit the audio. Audio is from the game. And edit. Okay, edit the scoreboard. Okay, this one, and become smaller. You also can edit the audio from the speaker. Speaker internal audio. Okay. Please see your audio. You have added the sport audio and the sport audio, and disable another audio. Disable another one. Okay, and then set up the audio shifter. Score audio. Sorry. See you again. Shifter. Sport audio big. Okay. Okay, I will cut the black area. Then you see. You see? It will change. You can change the number, but you see it will have the area, black area. I will cut it then. I will change the name. Brother, rabbit. Okay, and then I will cut the black area. How to cut the black area? Black area. How to do? Score and the filter. Edit the cut. Okay, become what? Okay, and now I will live streaming. Go to Facebook Live. Go to my blog. Facebook stream key. Then select your fence. Copy the string key and paste. Copy paste. Facebook. Start streaming. And go to your Facebook again. Start streaming. And now You can use your you can see your live Facebook live streaming. Sorry. You can see your live streaming. Live streaming, and you can change your number. Change. You can see your live streaming. Change. Change. This is our live streaming. You can edit the scoreboard. Thank you. Bye bye. 比赛的比分状况。手上 iPad 上面的积分板只是用手挥就一直增加，然后上面 iPad 上面数字也会跟着改变，分数也会跟着改变。